Express.js tutorial for beginners. How to use Express.js web framework. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on Express.js, how to get started and what are the basic features and tools we get on Express. So let's get started. First, what you need to do is you can go to expressjs.com and you will get to this platform right here. Express.js is fast and unopinionated minimalist web framework for node.js, and it is our framework that we get, and it helps us with our different APIs and web applications. So I will show you all of the different features we get on Express.js and why we use it and how you can get the most out of Express.js. So getting started is really easy. We will need to first install Express.js. So you can go to getting started option right here at the top of your screen, where you have home, getting started, we have guide, API reference, advanced topics, and resources. So go to get started and click on installing. It will take you to installing Express, and here I will be able to find all of my different installing. And here we get our installing. So you need to install Express.js into your laptop. So in order to install Express.js, you can see right here, we just need to simply create a directory to hold our application right here. So for that, we will have to first get to node.js. Actually, Express.js works for node.js, and we will have to install node first, and then we will be able to use Express. So installing node is really easy. Go to node.js.org. This is our JavaScript, and this is where we actually build our different engine, our application, our software that we will be creating, our web. So here I can go ahead and download it for Windows. So we have this one, and then we have the latest version. So I'm gonna go with the recommended one here, and it will just take a minute to download for Node.js installer, and then I will be able to install Node.js, and then we will simply use Express.js for this one. Once your node is installed, then we're going to click on next, and then again I'm just going to accept the terms and click on next, and install. So now it will just take a few seconds for Node.js to install, like you can see right here, and I'm just gonna show you the process as well. I don't think we need to go away because it will just take a minute for it to install, but I will still give it some time, and then I will see you in a minute. So once your node is installed, you can just click on finish. Now we have our node. This was actually the first step, and you need to understand node before you go to Express.js. So now what we need to do is I'm gonna go ahead and open up Express.js, and I'll show you how we connect it to our node.js. So this is here we have our Express.js. If you have installed node, then you can move on to the next step, and which is adding your directory here. So this is our a code already given, which is working, and then we have others as well. We have different commands given, and then what we need to do is we can simply go ahead and just install Express within our node. That's what we're gonna do, and after installing we can go to Express generator. So once you have installed your Express as well, this is going to be our Express application generators. This is where we generate application. And Express.js, how Node and Express work in a very simple words, you have Node.js, which is JavaScript that we needed. Now, Express.js is created in order to help us generate the code and in order to generate the application. And this is where we will be transcripting, we will be adding our data. So this is Express application generator. And again, we have all of our different versions added here. So the first one is actually going to be, you can run the application generator with npx command. So this is the command that we need to add to our Node.js. We will be able to find all of the commands on Express.js. So the first one is here. Then we have for earlier Node versions. If you have an earlier version, then you can go with this command right here. And then display command options are given here as well. For the following creators of an Express app, then you can go with these commands. Then we have install dependencies given. And then we have commands for Windows, Linux, Mac, and others. This is what's called basic routing. So we have the version we installed was 16.1501. So I'm gonna go ahead and see which one is going to be ours. Okay, this one will work good with ours. So this is where you will be getting your generators, and then the next step is going to be basic routing. So that was like our generation of application. This is our basic routing. Now, routing refers to a determining how an application responds to a client's request. So first step was installing, second step was generating, now third is basic routing. So this is how express.js works. Now you can see where app is an instant of express, method is http request method. And if I just go down, I will be able to show you all of the different routes that are given here. So first of all, we have respond with hello world on the home page. So we need to simply go to the home page and we will add hello world. And then we have respond to a post request on the route. So this is like basic coding for you guys in web development. And if you truly understand web development and if you understand programming and if you understand the web language, then you will be able to know what this means. But I'm showing you where to find all of these different codes and all of these commands that we need in node.js. So if you have node.js JavaScript but you do not know where to find all of these application generations and different API, then you can go right here. We also have service static files in Express. These are going to be our static files, and if you're looking for different multiple static asset directories, then you will be able to find them right here. Then there are different commands given, so you will be able to find them right here. Moving on, we also have API reference here on express.js. So what is this? Well, here I can create an Express application, and this is going to be the functions and Express modules. So again, we have all of the modules and all of the application. We have methods, events given here, and you can check them out. You can see all of the information is given on the website here on expressjs.com. Make sure you install Node.js. If you're completely new to express.js, then know that it works with Node.js. So install Node.js and then you will be able to find all of the information right here. So we have methods, we have application and request. You can also search from this bar right here, and you can go for express, application, or request. Instead for request, we have these right here, HTTP request headers, and you can just know how to work on Node.js. That's what express.js shows you, and I'm showing you how to use express.js and how to get all of these different keys and how to get APIs, how to get codes and commands using Node.js. And then you can simply go back to home. You can also get a guide about express.js if you want. It's given here. Then we have different advanced topics such as template engines, then process managers, security updates, and others. So you can go to template engines as well. And here you will be able to find developing template engine for Express. Again, you have all of the codes and all of the commands given here. So express.js works with node.js, and it will give you all of the different commands and all of the different web frameworks that you were looking for, and it is available for your Windows and Mac. You can go ahead and download it right now with Node.js and create your own website or create your applications very easily. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.